Warm greetings to all of you from Dallas, Texas. My name is Jay David. I am the Senior Solutions Marketing Manager for Stratus Technologies. I have also spent 20 years of my life as a controls engineer, majority of which as a systems integrator, deploying Rockwell Automation, Siemens, and Wonderware solutions all over the world. I'm here to talk about a Stratus Technology customer case study, not only to show the success of a key system integrator partner in a growing data center industry, but also to provide two essential messages. Number one, why is it important to be a Stratus Technologies systems integrator? And then number two, how can you leverage Stratus Technologies to win more projects? If you complete this webinar with you learning about just these two key takeaways, then I have done my job. So let us proceed. Here's something about our system integrator feature for today, DCI. Like most of you, Dynamic Controls Incorporated, or DCI, is a Stratus Technology systems integrator based in Denver, Colorado. Their main expertise is in building automation, security, and energy solutions. They have been in the business for a long time, over 35 years. When we first met DCI, they were in the process of bidding for a very critical project, and we're looking for the perfect automation and control solution to offer their customer. As is typical with any system integrator working in any industry, I don't care if it's building automation or data center, water, wastewater, food and bev, life science, power, or even oil and gas. What's important for them, for systems integrators, is to find a solution that is, number one, first, simple. As in simple to understand, simple to configure, simple to build, test, and deploy. One where you don't need to be a rocket scientist, or in this case, an IT professional to understand. More importantly, simple enough to standardize your solutions and make them repeatable. The holy grail of system integration, as far as I'm concerned, is to be able to develop a solution that you can use over and over again in various customers, industries, and applications. And once you're able to do this, you've hit a gold mine. Simplicity also translates into maximum customer satisfaction. The goal of every SI is to make his customer happy so that you get repeat business. And all these simplicity and maximum customer satisfaction would translate into profitability, big bucks. As SIs, you want to be well compensated for the work you provide your customers. If you're not profitable, then you close shop. And this was what the Dynamic Controls was looking for when they went into an SI partner relationship with Stratus Technologies. Like I said, when DCI first met Stratus, they did not know who we were or what we offered, but they had a customer requirement that led them to our doorstep. How did this happen? Let's go through the case study. There's this very profitable data center customer in Denver that was so inundated with challenges that they were willing to completely scrap their existing building management system. They had two big challenges. Challenge number one, they had a variety of disparate solutions, different brands, different technologies that did not integrate with each other, a solution that did not have a central and integrated digitalized core. Challenge number two, their existing data center solution did not have power redundancy, nor any operations failover, so much so that the frequent downtimes were causing a lot of interruptions in their business. These challenges were so big that not only were they willing to scrap their existing solution, they also actually fired the engineer in charge. They brought in someone new and hired a consultant to develop the specs for the new project. Part of that specification was the use of an edge computing platform that would do two things. Number one, integrate the multi-brand, multi-hardware, and multi-software solution into a common, fully integrated digital platform. Number two, to be able to protect the entire solution from unplanned downtime. DCI found out about Stratus Technologies, specified our platform. They actually won the project and have successfully deployed a new data center solution for their customer in Denver. Now, there is a very well-written customer case study success story that you can read that will tell you how the project was implemented and what benefits they got out of which you can read at your leisure after this webinar. What I'm here today is to be able to, through the DCI case study, tell you systems integrators, two things. Number one, the importance of the Stratus Technologies partnership. And number two, what happened in the background between DCI and Stratus that assured the customer win. As SIs, I think this is more important. So let's go through the story, through this landscape. Why is it important for DCI to become a Stratus SI? There are obvious reasons. Number one, Stratus has a full-blown, mature, multi-tier, feature-rich SI program that both trains and certifies your engineers. Number two, there's also that critical reason. Stratus has a fully integrated, continuously available hardware and software platform for running tier one business critical workloads and control application. This is a key requirement in the bid specifications of the DCI data center customer. And then the third reason is the value add. This is important, so pay attention. You, our SIs, are already good at what you do. Your solutions are already world-class. But what Stratus can do is make you even better. It's been said that the solution is only good as the platform it runs on. You know, you can have the best software in the world, but if a downtime occurs and operation stops, then that investment is worth nothing. To summarize, why is it important to be a Stratus Technologies systems integrator? As DCI has found out, they have an engaged partner with Stratus Technologies who have the right products to fulfill all their requirements. And this is what Stratus does. Stratus made DCI a better SI. And in the same token, Stratus will help you make better systems integrators. The second subject I want to discuss with you is equally important. How can system integrators leverage Stratus Technologies to win more projects? Let's see what DCI did. After finding out that Stratus had the right technology to fulfill their customers' data center requirement, the next concern is what Stratus offering was the most compliant to the data center customer specifications. To find that out, this is what DCI did. First, they explored if the customer's existing servers can still be used, perhaps with something like Stratus Everrun. This proved to be not the case, so the old servers were scrapped. Second, they went through various configurations of ZTC Edge. It did work. ZTC Edge not only provided the ability for DCI to consolidate all their software assets working as a pair, the ZTC Edge, with its built-in redundancy, also provided downtime protection. The specifications were met exactly. However, upon further testing and inspection, the bid requirements for hard disk capacity disqualified the ZTC Edge on technicality, which brought them to test the FT server. The solution fit the data center requirements perfectly, like a glove in all requirements, and even more. So, as systems integrators, this is a key takeaway from this case study, like what DCI did. Go through your progression. Don't settle with your favorite product. Don't settle with your favorite Stratus product. Test it out. There is a Stratus edge computing platform that is perfect. That is a perfect fit for your solution. And you need to test it out. And like a football quarterback, go through the different edge computing platform progression. And there are a variety of ways to do this. And Stratus has provided all the support to our SIs so you can make the right decision. First, we have a very detailed edge selection guide document that you can go over. It's available for download at the Resource Center. Second, there is a very useful sizing estimator that you can use to select the correct platform, whether it be ZTC or FT server. The sizing estimator is available for Rockwell Automation, for Aviva, for Siemens, for GE, and for inductive automation products, and can also be downloaded in the partner portal. And the third is equally important and is what DCI use. They, since they were new to Stratus, they were new Stratus SIs, they engage with Stratus subject matter experts, our engineers, to create a proof of concept to test the validity of the solution. The proof of concept was done in two ways. Phase one was the initial proof of concept that made them go through the progression, like I mentioned earlier, of testing the right Stratus platform. Once FT server proved to be the most compliant platform, DCI went into a phase two, which you see in front of you. Phase two was actually building a real-time witness test demo panel and rack. This panel and rack contained all the key hardware and software products that would be integrated into the actual data center BMS. This witness test was created for two reasons. One is to make sure that the fully integrated solution would work. And number two, and more importantly, is to actually show the customer that the solution indeed works. This proof of concept witness test demo panel was their out-of-the-box kind of move that was so successful that it gave the customer the confidence to award the contract to DCI. Basically, what DCI said, I'm not only promising that my solution will work in paper, but I'm actually going to physically show you that my solution works. And here's proof. Hence the actual witness demo test panel and rack. This success would not have been made possible without the cooperation between the DCI engineers and the Stratus engineers to create this proof of concept. So to answer your question of how can system integrators win more projects, the answer is simple: leverage the expertise and support of Stratus Technologies, especially for key and high value projects. What are the key takeaways from this session? There are two. Key takeaway number one, there is a Stratus platform available for any level of customer architecture. You just need to find it. How? Go through the progression. There are sizing tools available for download that enable you to size the correct Stratus platform. And also in key takeaway number two, execute a POC. Doing a proof of concept enables systems integrators to determine the most appropriate platform for the customer requirement. In some cases, consult with a Stratus subject matter expert during your POC to really make sure that you've selected the right platform. So in addition to the valuable lessons of the case study, as systems integrators, these two key takeaways are really important lessons of this segment. So there you go, my friends. The DCI customer case study to show you why it's important for SIs to partner with Stratus, and more importantly, what can Stratus do for you to win more business.